Hi, I'm David Wells, president of Undercover Truck Bed Covers, the makers of the new Lux. You know, in 2001, when we launched the first Undercover Classic at an industry show, the leaders back then, the fiberglass industry, told us it wouldn't be around much more than a year. No one wanted a textured black cover, even though our features of lightweight, 58 pounds, and easy to take on and off, wall mount hardware, so you hang it out of the wall, hang it on the wall and get it out of your way. Those features didn't matter. If it wasn't painted to match, it wasn't going to work. 450,000 covers later of the classic Undercover, I think we've proven that wrong. But we liked what they said. If you could ever paint one, and you can't maintain those features, you really have something. Here we are in 2012, finishing our first year with the Undercover Lux, and thousands of covers sold. You know, with 8,000 dealers nationwide, here's a great benefit for you. You don't have to wait weeks. Here it is Friday afternoon. The weekend's coming up. Go down to your local dealer, pick you out the cover that you need for your truck. You can order it in for you and have it on your truck by the end of Monday. Got the rest of the week to go do what you want to do with your truck and your new cover. You haven't got to wait weeks for it to come in. But you also get the classic Undercover features. I want to take a minute and walk you through those. 58 pounds, the Undercover Classic, the Undercover Lux. 58 pounds for your average cover. Why is that important? It gives you a lightweight cover, yet durable enough to hold a lot of weight. Being lightweight and non-drill hardware and easy to remove hinges, you can take the cover off and hang it in the wall in your garage. Typical features of the pull strap and the LED light come with all Undercover Lux products. Double-edged bulb seal helps keep out the water and the dust so you don't get all that in the back of your bed. Easy to remove struts. Clamps where they're held so when you take the cover off, they're not bouncing around. Simple features, simple things that Undercover does to build you a high-quality product. DuPont waterborne paint, environmentally friendly. OE design cover, so when you look at the bed of your truck, it fits like a glove. These are things that are common with Undercover, but you're going to love on the new Lux product.